My name is Terry Chan. I'm the Chief Compliance Officer for the US, and I handle the compliance for the US entity and Canada and Latin America as well. My typical day is split between North America and Asia. In the US, I work with money transmission licenses, work with the regulators, work with the bank. And then for the Asia, I work with our teams directly, say with policy and procedures, because we're just growing and making sure that we stay compliant with all our needs. This often underestimated is the unknown. So when we're dealing with the banks or regulators, they're also asking questions. And sometimes we don't know how to answer, but we can let them know that we don't know, but we're also looking into it. So this way we can address the issues and handle the problems and find a solution for the issues. So this allows us to grow, so not block the business. The struggles that all companies face be bouncing between compliance and business. It's always a delicate balance between the two. So what works best is not saying no, but also saying, okay, let's talk about this and discuss. Once we discuss, we can figure out what we can do and can't do to support the business. PhotonPay is dedicating itself for growth and compliance and expanding in different territories. Makes me confident that we will continue to have future success. I would like to thank our clients for their trust into our system, for allowing us to help grow their business to the next level.